Today is a very special day. We are here in our class and we have discussed a very important topic about health of humans. Like we are into the age and we have lots of things going on in our world. So here we have some special topic to discuss. Here we have the topic. Let me. You can see we have a wonderful board work in a PhD level with our two future professors who are researching in the topic of HIV plus and AIDS. They have shown us the symptoms of the HIV. If you have these symptoms or you know someone who have these symptoms of rapid weight loss, sweating for not any reason, especially on winter night too, and stomach pain and headache regularly, so they might have the virus. So here we have our Professor Tuhin, Roy, and our say Mr. Kadri. They will discuss about this virus. Okay, so first I will ask you guys to introduce yourself, please.
Yeah, thank you, Gopal. Myself, Tuhin, and
myself, Sahezad.
Yes, it's very nice to meet you. I've seen this wonderful board work on this research you are doing.
Actually, we are discussing about the most dangerous virus which is spreading across the India, especially to the youngsters.
Okay, so
If you are talking about the record, last year the village in UP, whole village are the HIV positives.
well, that's a very devastating state of the state.
So, as we all know that HIV/AIDS is a deadly virus and disease, and if you infected with the HIV and AIDS, so there is a chance of 100% mortality rate.
It's not curable.
It's not curable.
If someone, what happened to someone, someone's not getting identified, they are suffering with HIV/AIDS or not. So say there are some.
So there will be someone who unknowingly suffering from the disease or the virus, you can say,
Yes.
and it's not curable.
Not curable.
Oh.
And if you identify the person, maybe during intercourse or any kind of those.
Is there any?
People always think when HIV is involved, they are only sexually involved, but this is not true.
But
That's why the reason is why people are not able to discuss properly, or
Okay.
they are not fluent to interact this.
Yeah, I guess they feel very embarrassed to be like saying that I got HIV from this person, because it's a very embarrassing and private and personal things, I guess.
Because we need success involved.
Yeah. Do we have any other symptom, like reason?
One thing, Mr. Gopal, I want to add that if nowadays there are so many red
Youngsters.
areas,
Yeah.
people are going to fulfill their desires in those red light areas.
Yeah.
So if you intercourse with those infected people or lady, so you have, if you want to identify, if you totally identify, okay, this is the person who is HIV positive or infected, right?
Not identify. If you are intercoursing with any strangers to whom you don't know about anything,
Oh.
okay, then you have to use protection.
Yeah, without the use of a condom, it's very much risky, I
If
guess.
you want proper, medication, so within 72 hours, you have to consult with doctors.
Okay, but is it curable in that time limit?
Yeah. In this time period, in 72 hours, it is totally curable.
No, it's not curable. Actually, if you get identified you are suffering from HIV, you can consult to the doctors by visiting, or by you can call your helpline 1097. Your information will be private.
Professor, can you tell us about the virus, why it is not curable? We cured pandemics, virus like
See,
corona. Why we can't even
some
this?
diseases are not curable. This like this virus is not curable. One more virus, hepatitis is not curable. They can be controlled.
Okay.
If I have some level of HIV in my body, virus, it can be stopped at that level.
Yeah.
It not be speed more.
But after a certain time, or certain
Maybe
level,
if you identify at a time that you are suffering from, you have a virus in your body, that HIV, you will not infect it with AIDS. This cause death, not this virus cause death. Or if you are suffering with HIV, if you, in your body there is a virus, HIV virus, then after 11 to 12 years you will get, you are suffering with AIDS, not suddenly. So you have many times to identify. In fact, I will say that if you are intercoursing with someone or you are using any infected injections or blood contact through any infected person, you should go and check. I will suggest to every youngster. It's a free of cost, yeah. You can go and check yourself. You are suffering from what.
So you were
Out of
saying
100%,
it's not an embarrassing thing to ask for help if you like feel yourself that you have been affected by this virus. Do not feel embarrassed or your life will be ruined. You should contact and see a medication, and you can help. You can get help from the like hospitals and doctors. And if you don't have that things in yourself, you can also contact this
actually, in
number.
every hospital there is a special mother for HIV patients. They can contact. In fact, your data or your information will not spread, not get
So
any.
it will be so much private. Okay. So in India, you can see there are many patients who feel embarrassed by this and they don't see a doctor, and they again spreads the virus.
Actually, or there is a wrong assumption also to every citizen. So if he is suffering from HIV or AIDS, so what other people think that if I will touch him or I will meet with him or I will spend time with him, then I will also infect it. No, this is wrong. Only these four reasons are the reasons why
Can you tell us the reasons, please?
Yes.
Reasons.
So reasons. So first reason is unprotected intercourse or sex. Then blood contact through infected person, means the person who is actually infected with HIV. So if you blood contact with, if you have the blood
Like
contact with
open
that
wound
person,
and other stuffs. Open wound and other stuffs,
yeah.
I guess.
Then we have, then also nowadays you can see that before 10 years or 15 years before, the barbers they are using one what it is called, food,
Blood.
blade,
One blade.
one
Yeah.
blade,
Yeah.
or shaving and all those stuff.
Yes, sir.
But now everyone using a single piece of blade for every individual,
Yes, sir.
right? So this happens just because government are concerned about this, and government spread the
They run off
knowledge.
many organizations like B6 and many organizations. Every state is a organization which runs about the HIV. We spread the information about the HIV among the normal peoples or the peoples of village who don't know anything about it. They always think if someone is suffering from HIV/AIDS, that means he has this sex with anyone. That's wrong. Absolutely wrong.
Yeah.
In fact, I also check that I'm also doctor. I am checking myself. I'm not suffering. I'm suffering from this or not. When my parents or my family get to know, they will why you are getting go to doctor to check this. What society will think? No, nothing will society. Very many chances of suffering. Maybe possibilities. I will donating my blood to someone's blood contact. Maybe he is suffering from HIV. I get infected, or maybe that's Tuhin sir has told us that the barber use the same
Blade.
blade before
Before
like,
it was like
suppose I will using the blade and I will saving him if there is a cut mark.
Yeah.
Okay, same blood will be if the same blood will I use me and also get I cut, then I will also infect.
So we are just stopping our videos today. Thank you. To be continued.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sirs and professors, for our things.